So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're doing on this project for the client is we're going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. We finished the house just down the road, a few doors down, so the customer was really impressed with the quality of work. They saw up the road, so they want a like for like finish, tuck pointing all of the arches, all on the front of the property, all the lovely features over the front door, make a nice feature of that, tuck pointing all the piers, all the columns. We'll be decorating all of the stonework, so getting all the loose flaky paint off, rubbing down all the stonework, decoration to all of the stonework. On the top middle elevation, you can still see the original tuck pointing from when it was first built. So the customer might go for a full tuck on the front or a penny roll on all of the red detail brickwork, and then, like I say, all of the archwork will all be tuck pointed. A few stone repairs to do here and now on the stonework itself, getting all the loose flaky paint off, rubbing everything back. Overall, the brickwork is not in too bad condition. There will be quite a few bricks to replace. There is quite a few cracked bricks here and there and a few spoiled bricks in places, but overall not too bad. Decoration to all of the woodwork, windows, gable, guttering seems all okay, so that's all good. Guttering seems in quite good condition there. Get all of the white paint off any brickwork that's been painted white, and I'm just exposing all the lovely original features on the front of this property. So looking forward to getting this one underway this morning. Going to be another massive transformation, and then show you some more progress once we get underway. Lad's got quite a few days in front of him cutting this one out and cleaning, probably a good week or so's work getting it all cut out, prepared, ready to go. So another big project underway down in Dulwich. Like I say, this is the second house we've done on this road now. Got another one on this road booked in for after Christmas, fully booked now to around about February next year. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.